The idea of robots performing tasks once thought exclusive to humans has always captivated our imagination. From the early days of science fiction to the present, the concept of intelligent machines has fascinated us. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots have steadily integrated into various sectors. They have taken on roles that require precision, efficiency, and tireless effort, transforming industries and redefining the boundaries of what machines can do. Yet, the concept of a robotic barber wielding scissors and combs with mechanical precision evokes a mix of curiosity and apprehension. The idea of trusting a machine with something as personal as a haircut is both intriguing and unsettling. Will robots soon be styling our hair? Imagine walking into a salon where a robot greets you, analyzes your hair, and executes the perfect cut with flawless accuracy. The prospect of robotic barbers sparks our imagination, but it also raises questions about the future of skilled trades. What will happen to the barbers who have honed their craft over years of practice? Can machines truly replicate the artistry and human touch inherent in barbering? The subtle nuances, the personal interactions, and the creative flair that human barbers bring to their work are hard to emulate. Or will human barbers always hold a unique place in this age-old profession? As technology advances, the balance between innovation and tradition will shape the future of barbering. At first glance, a haircut might seem like a simple task. You walk into a barbershop, sit in the chair, and let the barber do their work. But there's so much more happening behind the scenes. However, the reality is far more intricate. Each snip of the scissors and every stroke of the comb is a calculated move. Haircutting is a craft that demands a deep understanding of various factors. Barbers must consider the client's personal style, lifestyle, and even their personality. Different hair types, textures, growth patterns, and head shapes all influence the approach a barber must take. No two heads of hair are exactly the same. A skilled barber can assess these factors and adapt their techniques accordingly. They switch tools and adjust their methods on the fly to achieve the best results. They know how to work with curly hair, straight hair, thick hair, and fine hair. Each type requires a different approach and a unique set of skills. They understand how to create different styles, from classic cuts to modern trends. Whether it's a timeless look or the latest fashion, a good barber can do it all. This level of nuance and adaptability is something that robots currently struggle to replicate. The human touch, the ability to read a client's needs and adjust in real time, is what sets skilled barbers apart. Barbering is more than just a technical skill. It's an art form that requires a keen eye and a steady hand. A good barber is like a sculptor, using their tools to shape and mold hair into a work of art. Each snip of the scissors and buzz of the clippers is a deliberate stroke in their masterpiece. They understand the principles of balance, symmetry, and aesthetics, ensuring that every cut enhances the client's natural features. They can visualize a hairstyle that complements their client's features and personality, creating a look that is uniquely tailored to them. This artistic vision is difficult to program into a machine. Robots may be precise, but they lack the human touch. While robots can be programmed to follow specific instructions, they lack the creativity and intuition that human barbers possess. They can't interpret the subtle cues and preferences of each client. They can't improvise or make on-the-fly adjustments based on a client's unique features, making human barbers irreplaceable in their craft. Section 4. The Human Touch. Beyond the scissors and comb. Beyond the technical and artistic aspects, barbering is also a deeply social profession. It involves building rapport with clients, understanding their preferences, and creating a comfortable and enjoyable experience. A trip to the barber can be a social outing, a chance to relax and engage in friendly conversation. This interpersonal aspect of barbering is something that robots simply cannot replicate. While robots can be programmed to mimic human interaction, they lack the genuine empathy and understanding that characterizes human connection. Section 5. Technological hurdles, a long way to go. Despite advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, several technological hurdles prevent robots from fully replacing human barbers. One significant challenge is the dexterity required for haircutting. The human hand, with its intricate network of bones, muscles, and nerves, possesses an unmatched level of dexterity and precision. Replicating this dexterity in a robotic hand is incredibly complex. While robotic grippers have improved significantly, they still lack the sensitivity and fine motor control needed for the subtle movements involved in haircutting. Section 6. The rise of the machines, experiments, and advancements. Despite these challenges, research and development in robotic haircutting are ongoing. Some companies and research institutions are experimenting with robotic arms equipped with sensors and AI algorithms. These systems aim to analyze hair type, head shape, and even facial features to execute haircuts. While these advancements are promising, they are still in their early stages. The robots are often limited to basic cuts on mannequin heads. Translating this technology to real-world scenarios, where hair types and client preferences vary greatly, remains a significant challenge.